Now we shall discuss about SP2 hybridization taking place in organic chemistry. SP2 hybridization. So here one s orbital and two p orbitals intermix spontaneously to form three hybridized SP2 orbitals. Example, alkenes. So alkenes are characterized by a general formula CnH2n, and we shall take here ethylene as example. IUPAC name is ethene, formula C2H4. There are two carbon atoms here. Both of them undergo the same type of SP2 hybridization. So let us take one carbon atom. Similarly, it happens in second carbon atom also. This is carbon atomic number 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The ground state configuration, box method, it has got only two unpaired electrons, UPE or 2. Now on excitation, we find 4 unpaired electrons. This is the excited state. UP is equal to 4. The hybridization here is S and p orbitals only. This is SP2 hybridization. SP2 hybridization. So n s orbital of one carbon atom. This is the p orbital. Px, Py and Pz. S, P, P and P. These two will intermix to form SP2 hybridized orbitals are 3 here and one is p orbital. So now S character is 33.33% or 1/3. P character is 66.67% or 2/3. Now if you expose this in two carbon atoms, so this is one carbon, this is another carbon. This is one SP2 hybrid orbital. This is SP2 hybrid orbital of another carbon atom. There are two carbon atoms here to form a sigma bond. Okay. Now this is one SP2 which will overlap with the s orbital of hydrogen atom, and another SP2 hybrid orbital which will overlap with the s orbital of another hydrogen atom on this side. So similarly, this will have SP2 hybridized orbitals. In each carbon atom, there are 3 SP2 hybrid orbitals. So one is overlapping axially to form a sigma bond. On other two sides, s orbital of hydrogen overlaps to form one sigma and one sigma bond. There are 5 sigma bonds now. So here in every carbon atom there are unhybridized orbitals. So they will overlap laterally to form a pi bond. If we show the structural formula, so this is, we can write the structural formula like this here: 1 sigma, 1 sigma, 1 sigma, 1 sigma, 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. So sigma bonds are 5, pi bond is 1. So here the bond angle is 120 degrees, triangular planar at every carbon atom, and the shape of the molecule, triangular planar, triangular planar molecule. This is about the concept of hybridization of the type SP2.